Are you finding ways to get filthy rich? Well, look no further, because we have found an amazing way how you can earn thousands of dollars in Bitcoin daily. As of 2022, Bitcoin's value is in the sky, as this one Bitcoin is equal to more than $27,000. Now, imagine earning thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin from a simple website. I'm sure this video will change your life, as you don't have to refresh the website to start mining again, as the website itself mines Bitcoin after every 2 seconds. Its autopilot feature helps you earn thousands of Bitcoin every single day. Hey guys, and welcome to The Moneymaker. We have a fantastic video planned for you today. In this video, I'll be telling you how I earn up to $7,000 worth of Bitcoin every single day. Yes, every single day. We will be sharing a complete strategy for making passive income without doing anything. You don't have to work for hours and just have to follow a few steps to start earning Bitcoin. So without any delay, let's get into the detailed strategy to learn how you can make passive money. You can do it by following these 3 simple steps. Also, we will be sharing both the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin, so you're left with no confusion. Make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid missing anything. Pay attention and understand every single point to implement it correctly. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more money ideas like this one. Step number 1. The first thing to earn Bitcoin is to have a Bitcoin wallet where you can receive it. You can make a digital wallet from a lot of different websites. We have chosen a great website to make your digital wallet, which is blockchain.com. All you have to do is click on Get Started, which will take you to a new page. Fill in the credentials the website is asking for, and you're all set to go. If you want to make your digital wallet on a different website, you can also check out another amazing website called coinbase.com. The instructions are the same for this one. If for some reason you want to create a digital wallet on any other website, you can also try bitcoin.org, which is absolutely free. I want to say that whichever website you choose to create your wallet is up to you. All of the websites I showed you are safe and authentic. When you have done this step, it means you have already created your Bitcoin wallet. This takes us to the next step. Step number 2. The second step is to connect your digital wallet to a few websites. This step is very important, as you will be able to withdraw the money by doing this, so pay close attention to every detail. I will be telling you in a very simple way. We have to go to the website faucetpay.com and click on Sign Up. You must be very careful while entering your credentials, including username, email address, and password. Make sure to enter your correct email address which you're currently using, as they will send you a confirmation link at that email address. In case you don't confirm, it will not provide you access to this website. Once you're done doing this, you have to visit another website. Now, search the website expresscrypto.io, where you have to perform the same process. Click Sign Up and enter the credentials, including the Bitcoin address. This is what the Bitcoin address looks like. Make sure to enter it correctly, as it will connect your wallet, which you made either on coinbase.com or faucetpay.com. If you don't enter it correctly, you will not be able to withdraw money. After this step, you might think this is easy and think to skip this video. I want you to tell that you will fail if you won't watch the whole video. So this is why you need to watch the complete video and understand how you can start earning in Bitcoin. Now, we're moving to the last and to the most important step of our strategy. The third and final step is to register on 3 different websites. The first website is called autofaucet.dutchiecorp.space. Make sure to enter the correct spelling of the website. The second website is autofaucet.org, and the third website is autoclaim.in. When creating accounts on these websites, you must check your mail and verify it. Click on the verification link, which will lead you to the website's homepage. We have to scroll down a bit, and on the left side of the page, we have to select some options. Select the crypto account which you created earlier, which is Express Crypto Mode. After that, you will see many cryptocurrencies mentioned on the page. You have to select any one of them. I would prefer you to choose Bitcoin currency because it has the highest value, resulting in a huge potential of earning a high amount. After that, you must enter a CAPTCHA and click on Start Auto Faucet. Then you will see an interface like this. This is where mining would take place. The best benefit you have mining through this website is that since we have connected to the website Express Crypto, you don't need to come back to the website again after some time and start mining again, as this website mines after every 2 seconds. Now, the other two websites, autofaucet.org and autoclaim, have the same procedure. I will take you through the whole process of autofaucet.org, which is the same for autoclaim.in. First of all, log into your account and check the dashboard on the left side. On this website, you will have to earn tokens. From that, you will start earning Bitcoin. You might think this procedure is very complicated, but in fact, it is very simple. Click on the daily bonus or offer walls where you can watch videos and complete surveys. By doing this, you will get many tokens for free. Once you have collected a good amount of tokens, you can then start mining Bitcoin. The mining will begin in the background and you don't have to worry about anything. The only thing you have to take care of is that you need to keep the browser open. The procedure is the same for autoclaim.im. You can earn Bitcoin from the same method and transfer it to your previously created digital wallet. This is how you can earn Bitcoin every single day from doing nothing. The website's autopilot feature helps you mine every 2 seconds so you don't have to open the website and mine it again. Many people underestimate the power of Bitcoin and ignore the potential it has. Bitcoin, as you know, it is on the rise, so it's better if we take advantage of this and start earning from it today. The smart ones will follow those steps and will make a good future from it. It is one of the best ways to make passive income. You don't have to spend hours doing work and then earn a few cents. You can earn thousands of Bitcoins daily by completing surveys, watching videos, or doing small tasks. The best thing is that you can do this in the comfort of your own house for free. You don't need to make any investments to make money. It is completely free. I have used this strategy and have been able to make over $7,000 worth of Bitcoin in a day for free. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we shared the 3 simple steps you need to follow to earn Bitcoins online. By following these steps, you can easily make a decent income from the comfort of your own home. There is no work needed to earn Bitcoin. All you need to do is follow these 3 simple steps. If you're interested in earning through Bitcoin, start it today because success doesn't happen overnight. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and we hope to see you in the next video.